Mornings are much easier when you already have a delicious breakfast waiting in the fridge. Today, I'm making 2 overnight oat recipes with no refined sugar. They're naturally sweet, satisfying, and filling enough to help manage morning cravings without making you feel like you're eating diet food. First up is a banana oat yogurt that I often prepare the night before, so I have a delicious and convenient breakfast ready for the next morning. Start with about 120 milliliters of milk and add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Stir everything well and let the chia seeds soak for about 10 minutes until they expand and become soft. As the chia seeds absorb the liquid, they develop a soft, gel-like texture that makes the dish creamier and adds fiber, plant-based omega-3s, and important minerals. Next, add about 50 grams of oats to a dry skillet and toast them over low heat until they become lightly golden. Toasting the oats brings out a delicious, nutty aroma and gives them a flavor similar to your favorite premium breakfast cereal. While the oats are toasting, add about 50 grams of cashews to a blender and pulse them into small pieces. You don't need to blend them into a fine powder. Leaving some small pieces gives the recipe a nice, crunchy texture. Add the chopped cashews to the toasted oats. Then add a small handful of dried cranberries and a little ground cinnamon. Mix everything together. Then pour in about 60 milliliters of milk and stir again until all the ingredients are well combined. Spoon the mixture into the bottom of a glass to create a fragrant, nutty base. Now it's time to make the banana yogurt layer. Take 1 ripe banana, peel it, cut it into small pieces, and mash it until smooth. The banana adds natural sweetness, while also giving the yogurt a naturally creamy texture. Add the mashed banana to 200 milliliters of yogurt and stir until everything is smooth and well combined. Pour the banana yogurt mixture over the toasted oat layer in the glass. Add a few fresh banana slices on top for extra flavor and a beautiful finish. Finally, pour the soaked chia seeds over the top. Cover the glass and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour, or preferably overnight. As it chills, the flavors come together and the texture becomes thicker, smoother, and more delicious. With every spoonful, you get the nutty toasted oats at the bottom, the creamy cashews, sweetheart cranberries, a warm hint of cinnamon, and smooth banana yogurt on top. With its combination of fiber, protein, and healthy fats, this breakfast can help you feel satisfied and may make it easier to manage snacking between meals. It's a simple choice for breakfast or an afternoon snack, giving you a delicious and satisfying way to start your day. Next, let's make a blueberry oat yogurt. This is one of my favorites because it has a fresh, fruity flavor and uses one of my favorite fruits. And the best part is that it's very easy to prepare. Start with 1 cup of rolled oats, about 100 grams, and place them in a bowl. Pour in about 2 cups of warm water, or approximately 500 milliliters. Cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap and let the oats sit for about 15 minutes so they can soften. While the oats are soaking, prepare the chia seeds by adding 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to a cup of water. Stir well and let them sit until the seeds have fully expanded. Chia seeds are a good source of soluble fiber and absorb plenty of liquid, which can help add thickness and make the recipe more filling. Next, let's prepare the flaxseed gel. Add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to a saucepan. Then pour in 250 milliliters of water. Cook over medium heat and stir regularly to keep the mixture from sticking or burning. Once it reaches a boil, you'll notice a natural gel forming around the flaxseed. Turn off the heat and pour the mixture through a strainer to collect the flaxseed gel. This gel contains soluble fiber and adds a smooth, thick texture to the recipe. By now, the oats should be soft and ready. Pour the oat mixture through a strainer to collect the smooth oat mixture. Transfer it to a saucepan. Add a little lemon juice and warm it gently over low heat. Keep stirring until the mixture becomes thicker. The lemon adds a fresh, bright flavor to the recipe. Once it has cooled slightly, add about 60 milliliters of yogurt and stir until smooth. Yogurt adds a creamy texture and provides beneficial probiotics that can support a healthy digestive system. Next, add the flaxseed gel, along with about 100 grams of fresh blueberries. Blueberries are naturally rich in antioxidants and add a beautiful color and fresh flavor to the yogurt. Use an immersion blender to blend everything until the mixture becomes completely smooth and creamy. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of the soaked chia seeds and stir well. This blueberry oat yogurt combines oats, chia seeds, flax seeds, blueberries, and yogurt for a creamy, fiber-rich breakfast that can help you stay satisfied between meals. Pour the mixture into a glass jar and refrigerate it for about 4 to 5 hours. If you have more time, leave it in the refrigerator overnight for an even thicker texture and deeper flavor. While you wait, let's make a simple oat cake to enjoy with it. Add 3 tablespoons of oats to a blender, along with 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Blend everything until smooth, then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and blend once more. Pour the mixture into a microwave-safe mold and cook on medium-high power for about 2 minutes. Once everything is ready, take the blueberry oat yogurt out of the refrigerator, pour it over the soft, fluffy oat cake, and enjoy. You'll have a delicious combination of oats, protein, antioxidants, fiber, and probiotics. It's a satisfying breakfast that can provide steady energy and is a great option when you want something nutritious without giving up great flavor. And that's it. 2 simple overnight oat recipes that you can prepare ahead of time and enjoy the next day. Which one would you choose? The banana oat yogurt or the blueberry version? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and share the video, and subscribe to the channel for more simple, delicious, and easy to prepare recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.